One, two, three, testing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and as usual, today we have the technical session number 131. Our subject is manual cover and frame for the different discipline as a material in the infrastructure and the civil engineering. Before going on, I would like to request you to press the bell icon, subscribe, like it, share it in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So we will discuss about the manual materials today and with the different grades and the different disciplines and the material and their usage of application and how it's sustained with the different grades. So all of these things we will discuss. Uh, the manual covers and the frames. This is a major material of each discipline. Uh, we will discuss about in short the weight classes of the manual covers. Number one is A15. This is the capable of withstanding a 1.5 ton test load, pedestrian and the pedal cyclist. B125 capable of withstand holding a load of 12.5 ton test load. Car parks and the pedestrian areas manual covers and frame are only uh, recommended for the vehicular access is likely. So C250, this is the capable of withstand a 25-ton truss load car parks for courts areas where the slow moving traffic is recommended. Class D400 capable of withstand 40-ton truss load car for the lorries and the other accessories including the carriageway, hard shoulders and the pedestrian area. E600, this is capable for withstand a 60-ton load access to the docks and airfields also. F900 capable of withstand a 90-ton test load for the aircraft payments and for the airports and the airfields recommendation. So different weights of the manuals cover are in accordance manufactured in accordance to BS EN 124 2015 are mentioned slow in a weight class of the manual covers and frame as per manufacturer per BSEN 124 2015. So E15 is a pedestrian and a cyclist utility as we discussed. The number of designated each class withstand load in the kilonewtons. For example, C250 means the manuals cover and the withstand loads are the 250 kilonewton. A manual cover is maintained uh, to removable the plates and the forms of the lids over the opening of the manuals. A manual is a large opening which is designated to help the person to pass through it and it use access to the point for the underground values of the points of the pipes. The main purpose of this is that to prevent anyone, anything, and falling and to keep uh, unauthorized persons away. So the main material of this is the ductile iron pipes are mostly commonly used for the cover and the frames, and it is the molded casted as there is a procedure. The whole raw material is melted and put in a molds and in different shapes whatsoever it is manufactured, and it will be once it is cured and it will be in uh, that shape, particular shape. The rise of the excellent additional strength of the shocks load resistance is given by the uh, molecular strength of the ductile iron within the structure carbon steel without steel inhabitants corrosion. The modern days roads, covers, and the grating are important to carry out the heavy, fast load moving, heavy, fast traffic moving, and also keep the roads services in a excellent way. So adding the manual covers and the frame also important to terms achieving the speed and each access to maintain the particular services. The conventional gray iron manuals covers gratings and the frames are rapidly being replaced in by the ductile iron manual covers gratings and the frames and the accounts of its strength and the weights ratio and designs weights and the cost benefits. So advantages of the manual ductile manual covers and the frames are highly strength and the compression strength, tensile elongation, and the chemical composition of this one ductile iron is designated as per the final designs and by the clients and accepted by the all the parties. So it is a easy handle, easy accessible, non-rockable, load bearing capacity, and all of these types of the cover recessed areas are also suitable for the laying blocks, pavings of the layers of the secrets. So there are a great decorative finishes also driveways and also loading access to the recessed cover are related to the FACTA loading specification. So solid top, these are the galvanized steel manual covers and the fittings and the flush and also have a grab handles and also mainly used in the lighter areas. So mostly this is the manual covers, the ductile iron is the recommended and instead of the other Korean material because this is the ore material and it is not a Korean material also. And the chemical composition and also the physical properties are comply with the local codes and the international highway standards and whatsoever it is. So different disciplines like the other utilities and the sewerage and the stormwater and whatsoever the manual cover are research. So these are the grades and this is the material which is used for recommendation of parallel to the design of the criteria. So this was the briefing about the manuals and also manual cover and the frames and the accessories and their fitting are recommendation subject to the appropriate material approval. So in next video, we will see each other with another subject and thank you very much and have a nice day.